you are in a situationship, alam mo kung ano yung pinapasok mo. Alam mo na hindi kayo magjowa and possibly hindi kayo magiging magjowa. So, yung expectations mo, kailangan mo ring babaan. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-expect when you're in a situationship na, dapat ina-text niya ako everyday. Dapat ina-update niya ako kung asaan siya. Dapat nag-good morning siya, nag-good night siya. Hindi nga ganun.
People often get uneasy entering unfiltered conversations, but you have nothing to be afraid of. A safe, genuine space where you can be there and just be you. Join me as we untangled some of the most guarded stories, uncomfortable topics, and inevitable truths about life. Let's talk bare topics and bold conversations here at Bare It All Podcast with Danny Barreto.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Bear It All podcast. So, thank you guys so much for the love. It has been such a great few episodes, a lot of stories, a lot of comments, and a lot of love from all of you. So, thank you so much. So, ito, one of the most requested topics to na pag-usapan namin sa Bear It All podcast. So, I'm so excited. Okay, so guys, ibang boses ko ngayon. I have to get through this. I am not feeling great today, but I want to get through this because this is a really, really good topic to talk about dahil ang dami din sa inyong humihingi na papag-usapan namin to dito sa podcast. So, our topic for today is, are we in a situationship?
Uy, kasal na tayo, ano ka ba?
Ano ka ba? Situationship pa rin to. Char. Okay. Ano ba yon? Situationship ang ating topic. And alam ko, maraming matatamaan sa episode na to. Pero, bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan, wag magalit.
So I think I belong to the half of the viewers that haven't really understood or heard what the word situationship
I feel
is.
like it's a lie.
Anyway,
I feel like it's a lie.
so for you, since you have more knowledge about like the terminology, what is a situationship? And how would you explain it to someone that has no idea what it is?
Basically, situationship is hindi kayo mag-boyfriend or mag-girlfriend, but you are doing boyfriend and girlfriend things. There's no label. So, hindi kayo mag-boyfriend, hindi din kayo mag-girlfriend. There's no label. So, you don't celebrate anniversaries, you don't celebrate each other's birthdays. Parang ganon.
Parang you're not obligated.
Yes, you don't get the girlfriend-boyfriend privileges. So,
Like?
hindi ka pinapakilala sa friends, sa family, sa... Technically, ang as masakit man pakinggan is, you're kind of a secret.
I think, is this a bad analogy? But it's like, you're living in a house na inuupahan mo pero walang kontrata. Parang ganun ba yun?
Ganon. Wala talaga kayong label. Nothing to
There's no
define the
security.
relationship. There's no expectations.
Walang
There's a lot of
security.
rules. Basically, when you're in a situationship, there is no love. You get it?
Gets.
Walang dapat ma-in love. It's like a higher form of friends with benefits. It's more physical.
Okay.
Situationships is more physical than emotional.
Okay.
Gets?
Alright,
Okay,
alright.
yon. So that's
So-
how you like explain it.
So, those are the distinguishing factors ng situationship.
Yeah.
Kasi sa pagkaintindi ko, the differences are like, number one, the security. Kasi pag may label ka, mas secure ka doon.
Alam mo na
Right?
may boyfriend ka. Alam mo may girlfriend ka. Ang situationship is, wala.
Yeah,
Wala
kasi-
kang boyfriend, wala kang girlfriend. Pero, pag gusto kang i-message, at any time of the day,
Yeah, it's like, I kind of see where it can get sticky din. Kasi like, pwede naman na, huy, ba't tinetext mo yung di mo naman jowa?
ang situationship is normally may understanding kayong dalawa that you are in a situationship. Pinag-usapan nyo na ito tayo. This is what we're gonna do. No feelings involved and all of that. Basically, there is an understanding between the two of you what you are doing.
But don't you think there's also people na parang, let's say, nagliligawan sila, sabihin natin, but it
Walang
just...
ligawan sa situationship.
No, I know, but like, let's say, for example, let's say you're dating, okay, nag-date kayo, but let's say 8 months or 1 year na nakalipas at wala pang label, is that considered a situationship?
No. It depends on what is happening in that relationship. If there's an understanding from the beginning of the relationship
Okay.
na nililigawan ka, that you guys are dating, that's still a label.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
Situationship is not dating. You're not even dating.
So you can't enter a situationship by accident.
No, you're not even dating. So, walang ligawan stage. Walang ligawan portion. Normally nga, like what I said kanina, situationship is more physical. So, you just want something, like a feeling that you don't, basically kung single ka and wala kang jowa, but you want the benefits of a jowa, you get in a situationship without the
No strings attached.
no strings
Yeah.
attached. But ako kasi, I always say that if you are in a situationship, alam mo kung ano yung pinapasok mo. Alam mo na hindi kayo magjowa and possibly hindi kayo magiging magjowa. So, yung expectations mo, kailangan mo ring babaan. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-expect when you're in a situationship na, dapat ina-text niya ako everyday. Dapat ina-update niya ako kung asaan siya. Dapat nag-good morning siya, nag-good night siya. Hindi nga ganun. 'Di ba? You cannot expect someone to be your boyfriend if they are not your boyfriend. And then you cannot expect the girl also to be a girlfriend if they're not your girlfriend.
That's true. It's
That's
like-
why
yeah.
labels are there.
Yeah, it's like you don't have to, let's say for example, birthday ng tita mo or ng lola mo. You're not obligated to
Hindi
go.
mo siya ma-invite. Normally kasi, ang situationship, there are rules to that. As I've heard, so a lot, because I have a lot of friends that got into situationships. And, frankly, it always ended up very messy. Like, at first, it was so convenient for both parties who are not ready to be committed. Ito yung mga tao na hindi ready mag-commit into a relationship, hindi pa sila ready
Ano sila?
Alam mo yun?
Emotionally unavailable.
emotionally unavailable. Like, they're not ready to invest that much feelings or
Or time.
time or effort
Yeah.
into someone. So, they get into situationships.
Yeah.
So, ang nangyayari sa kanila before is that pag may lalasing or
Someone to take care of me lang.
hindi, yung basically, you just have someone there when you need someone. So, whether it's physical or emotional. Normally, emotional, hindi pa nga eh. Kasi nga, guys, when there is emotions involved, love will always follow. So, in situationships, dapat emotionally unavailable ka talaga.
True.
In retrospect, I mean, normally, situationships are more physical talaga.
Ayaw lang nila mag-commit ng time to grow a relationship. So, mas convenient sa kanila na magka-situationship.
No, there are a lot of aspects for it. Some people are way too busy, so they don't want to get into a relationship
that's what
kasi
I mean,
nga,
yeah.
it's messy, so ayaw nila na,
Or wala
alam
silang-
mo yun,
wala silang time.
ayaw nila na may problema. So they'll only just call someone if,
Pag convenient.
when it's convenient or may little time sila. So instead of like doing something else, they'll just call the person and, do things with that person, whatever that is. Sometimes, it's just what's convenient in the moment, which is the sad part of things, guys. Like, for me, actually, masakit maging parte ng situationship sa mga taong capable of actually being in a relationship, but you're settling to be in a situationship because it's what's convenient. It's what's readily available right there. Yan yung ino-offer sa'yo. So, kukunin mo yon, 'di ba?
So,
Pero,
yeah.
pwede ka naman magka-boyfriend, pwede ka naman magka-girlfriend, pero since nandiyan na sa harap mo yung situationship, you'll grab it. Yun nga lang, ang malungkot doon, for me, like, personally, no talking about feelings, don't expect me to text you kung ano nangyayari sa araw ko or whatever. If you see me with another girl, or another boy, wala kang karapatan masaktan. Like, you see, when I'm just enumerating this, masakit siya pakinggan. Because, frankly, if I'm being honest, no one deserves to be in that
Yeah.
position.
So, are you saying that is it okay to be in a situationship?
For me, it really depends sa tao, but I feel that sobrang sakit.
I think pag matagalan, it's not good.
Parang hindi siya for a long-term thing. Kung maglo-long-term situationship ka, bakit hindi na lang kayo naging
naging
mag-boyfriend? 'Di ba? Ang situationship is normally like short-term yan eh. Until you find the next person that you wanna be in a situationship with. Until it lasts. It's only fun until it lasts. Yung parang ganun.
Yeah, so, okay. So, diba, the length. So, how does the unspoken rules of situationships affect the people in the situationship?
Basically, if you guys already agree that you are in a situationship, if you don't abide in that agreement, you're gonna fall in love with a person. And you know what? Chances are, 99.9% of situationships, laging merong isang may in love.
At siya'y naiipit.
At siya yung naiipit. Pero siya yung nagbumukhang, to be honest, talo ka. Talo ka. Kasi alam nyo na na nasa situationship kayo, hindi ka pwedeng ma-in love.
True.
That's the whole premise kung bakit ka nasa situationship. So kung na-in love ka, talo ka. 'Di ba? Ikaw ang lugi.
True.
Kasi hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mong makuha dun sa tao.
Nawalan ka pa.
Technically, ang mangyayari talaga dyan, guys, pag na-in love na kayo, dapat sasabihin nyo na yon dun sa partner nyo na, I think we have to stop this kasi dun sa situationship, kasi situationship, I think we have to stop this kasi I'm already feeling something, like na-in love na ako or may nararamdaman na ako for you. Chances are, swerte ka if ganun din ang nararamdaman niya. Pero kung hindi, then you have to come to terms with the fact that hanggang doon na lang. Kasi kung natatakot ka mawala yung ka-situationship mo, pero in love ka na, talo ka pa rin. Because you'll always feel, may iba na yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi na siya playtime. Hindi na siya pang-happy time. Ang mangyayari dyan is, pagka nakita mo siya in public with another girl, imbes na wala kang pakialam, pag nasa situationship ka, na-hurt ka na, umiiyak ka
Or
na.
I can see it. It's like, let's say you're out with your friends and nagkasalubungan kayo ng friends ng girl with her. Tapos hindi ka pinapansin ng girl. Bawal ka you can't feel bad na you're not hanging out together or
Basically,
stuff like that.
talagang wala kang karapatan to feel hurt. Because originally, ang pinag-usapan nyo is walang feelings involved. Kasi nga pag may feelings, guys, normal yun. Masasaktan at masasaktan ka talaga. So pag feeling mo, if you are in a situationship right now at nai-in love ka na, that's how it ends. Doon na yun.
Alright. So, diba, for some people, the situationship works. Baka,
So some people nga,
yeah.
may success story yan eh. Oo.
or like, diba, sometimes they just don't have the time and they're both on the same page. Pero like, what are the red flags to know na parang medyo nagiging bitter na yung situationship and it's time to let go?
Alam mo guys, no one wants to be a secret. No one wants to be a secret. I think that's so painful if you're a secret. That nobody knows that you exist or like someone makes you feel special pag kayong dalawa lang, but when you're with friends or with family, hindi ka na,
Parang
you
you're
get introduced as like a
friend.
friend or like, technically you don't get what you deserve. When you are in a situationship, you get the bare minimum. Sometimes not
Less.
even the bare minimum. Sometimes you get what's just kung ano lang yung feel na ibibigay niya sa'yo. That's why ako talaga, masakit ang situationships either way. Unless it really works for both people, then that's good for you. But chances are, it's so hard not to fall in love with someone kasi na
You spend a lot. If you spend a lot, it's that called Stockholm syndrome.
oo parang imposible kasi na hindi ka ma-fall.
Yeah, if you're with someone, tapos basically when you're stuck with someone for a long period of time, one of you are bound to fall in love with each other talaga.
You tend to be protective.
Yeah.
You tend to also like there are feelings na
Ito, side question. Kung may pet name ka sa situationship mo, situationship pa ba yun?
hindi nga. Pinapasa ka na, no? Pinapasa ka na. Walang feelings to, guys. Talaga. As in, wala talaga siya dapat feelings. So, parang yun nga yung point eh. Papakit ka, you can't honestly be physical and have like random conversations. Kasi ang may situationship na tatawagan kayo in the middle of the night. Kasi gusto lang makipagkwentuhan. May mga tao na mafe-feel nila, tinawagan niya ako. Ako yung naisip niya.
Yeah.
Ako yung naisip niyang tawagan today. So, ibig sabihin,
He likes
iniisip niya ako, he likes me. Imposible kasi na hindi ka mag-e-expect. Mapapaisip ka eh. Ang situationship kasi, wala talaga kayong anything. It is what it is. Ganun ang relationship nyo. It's no strings attached. So, by the time na there's a little bit of feelings there, natawagan ka lang, let's say, normally, nakikita kayo 3 a.m., 2 a.m., pero ngayon, tinatawagan ka na at 12 p.m. So,
Or gusto
ikaw
niya
ngayon,
mag-lunch.
mararamdaman mo na, oh my God, naalala niya ako no lunch break. Ayan na, dyan na nag-expect yung mga expectations. Dyan na nag-build na parang pumasok na sa utak mo na alala ka. Ayun na.